Hello and welcome back to the Joyful Soul Creates. Lady Joyful here, and today I am unboxing the April Love from Lizi card kit. And as usual we have a small embellishment bag and a big bag, and we will start by looking at what's in the big bag. Okay, so first up we have the stamp set, and this month the stamp set is full of words. So we have you and we, which you can put with are, so you are, we are, and I am. And then you have, for example, here for you, important, happy, appreciated, simply perfect, amazing, one of a kind. So you could put those together. You could say I am sorry, you are fearless, we are simply perfect. There. Lots of different possibilities for what you can do with this. And then we have this embossing folder with lots of birds all over it, and that's quite a good size embossing folder. So this is an A2 size card, and if you look you can kind of emboss the entire card base, so pretty much almost entirely fit in there, as you can see, so it's quite big. And then we have these papers, pattern papers. There's butterflies, these are all double-sided, so this is butterflies and then flowers. This has some big flowers on a text background, and then yellow and white flowers on the back. It's a large image. You could almost frame this if you wanted. I think there are a few others that you could. And then it has this kind of diamond design on the back. This one says I am, and has got kind of raindrops and then the raindrop design on the back. One with lots of words and stripes on the other side. This one's kind of watercolour look and polka dots. There's a camera on some tartan, and then kind of like notepad paper almost on the back. Some large flowers on some stripes and more flowers on the back. Cameras, some very scripty kind of handwriting font. I am surrounded by love, goodness and beautiful things. That's another one you could frame if you wanted. And flowers on the back. And some butterflies, and it says share your beauty with the world. And it has the that's the same pattern that was with the camera. And then the pink is with this paper here, the same pattern but with a typewriter on it. And then there's black and flowers on the back. And then we have the peel-offs, and these are glittery peel-offs. I guess white glitter, but they're kind of pink and blue and sort of holographic looking. Very pretty, makes me think of unicorns. So then we have the specialty papers. We have a black kind of pearlized paper, pearlized pink, silvery grey, and then kind of pearly white. Then the paper, this is the letter size paper which I usually use for my card bases. So we have yellow, black, green, pink and blue. We have a 12 by 12 sheet of cutter pads. And these have similar designs to what we had on the these papers. So we have the typewriter, there's a cake, a bicycle, and then we have just a pattern on the other side. We have a sheet of stickers. There's images, there's butterflies and flowers, a typewriter, a bird, a bike, and then you have some words: beautiful, enough, amazing, and these little strips here: I am strong and bold, I'm on my way, endless possibilities, living the dream. You have these kind of tabs, and then this kind of border. That's the stickers. There's another sheet of cut cards. These are bigger than the first sheet. And again, they're similar to the smaller patterned papers we had. And these you could use for a card front. And there's the dotty pattern on the back. And we have the embellishment bag. We have some Nouveau drops again. These are Sea Breeze, and these are jewel drops, so these need to dry for 48 hours. That's a very nice blue colour, and they dry translucent. We have some different ribbons. There's this kind of burlap ribbon, and then this black ribbon, which looks very nice on top of the burlap. And there's this white with tassels, very pastel coloured tassels, just a little bit of that one. And we have a solid white ribbon, and then this one, which is like the black one. We have a black ribbon, and we have very light blue. There's a sequin mix, which has gold and sort of pink, kind of pale green, very pretty colours. Some little black or dark grey ones and some translucent ones. We have a bag with some little burlap. Oops. There's some tags, and then some little flowers. 5 little flowers and the 2 tags. There is a bird, which goes nicely with the embossing folder. And there's a little frame. There's some little envelopes, very tiny envelopes. There's 3 of these, 3 little envelopes. A variety of ephemera. These match the papers and the stickers. Bicycle, it's flowers, glasses, lots of different pieces with words, very small flowers, banners, hearts, all sorts of pieces, butterflies, compass, it's got foil elements on it, there's foil on that one as well, lots of different pieces. And then finally we have these wooden words. We have happy, smile and hello, and they could really be a good focal point on the card there, nice and big. So that's everything in the kit this month. The kit is currently still in stock, and there will be a link down below for where you can buy it if you would like to buy a kit for yourself to play with. And I will have a video later on with the 10 cards that I have made using this kit, and I already have quite a few ideas, so make sure you subscribe to my channel to make sure you don't miss that video. and I will see you next time. Bye!